recreating Lori Harvey iconic glam, and what black-owned hair brand broke my hair off. Keep watching. Alright, let's get into it. This look first, because before everything went sideways, I was feeling myself. The inspiration is, of course, the one and only Lori Harvey. Her makeup is always so flawless and clean, it just glows. It's the 90s inspired soft glam vibe that I am obsessed with. So we're talking feathery brows, a super bright under eye, soft contour, and the juicy glossy lips. And first we're going to start off with the eyebrows, of course. Now, while we're getting glammed up, let's talk about the hair, because that's the real reason we're here. I was on a mission to support more black owned businesses, and I kept seeing this one brand, Bask and Lather. Had to pause for a minute to fill in these beautiful brows to get the Lori Harvey eyebrow look. And I want to also say that I saw the Bask and Lather products on social media, and I saw the before and after looks, and I was so pleased. And I was like, okay, I'm gonna try this brand, because I know a couple of years back I did try their not concealer, their edge control, and it was okay. So as I'm applying the concealer and foundation at the top of my brows, underneath and on top, I was so happy about having healthy hair for the first time in my life that is black owned. And it's not my first time, but it's just so many brands that's out there you're trying to be very trustworthy in, but it's very hard. Okay, so I had to pause because we are getting the perfect Lori Harvey feathery brows. So I'm just brushing with my spoolie, and then I'm applying that concealer underneath so you guys can see it up close. And then of course we're going to blend that in so to get the perfect brow. So back to the story. So I finally ordered the products. I ordered from TikTok, and I finally had my wash day, shampoo, conditioner, and I also had the grease. Of having all of these products, this eyeshadow reminds me of having everything all put together, of knowing the product, like I'm knowing the color of Lori Harvey eyeshadow. But I was wrong. But the shampoo lathered up beautifully, and it made my scalp feel really clean, and the conditioner, I did experience a little shedding in the first time that I used the shampoo and conditioner, and the grease was very soft and was very textured. I love their grease. So the grease made me feel very happy, and the happiness is applying my eyelash curler to my eye to get this cut crease like Lori Harvey. I had to do it. Like this cut crease, I had to achieve this look for Lori Harvey. As I'm continuing the makeup as well, I am going to also blend in that concealer over my eyelids to make sure that it's perfect and make sure that it is very neat. And back to the story, everything felt like it was going perfectly with the makeup, and at the time with my hair was felt a little different. It was very shiny, it was very moisture. However, I started to feel a very tingling sensation. I was using the growth oil, I was using the deep conditioner as well, the Lisker, the hydration mist. And as I continue Lori makeup again, I'm applying the orange corrector and concealer underneath my eye to have that lift, so you guys can see that it looks really good. It looks flawless. So it's just very natural makeup, nothing heavy, and also very beauty supply store affordable. And I'm going to use my glowy foundation, and this foundation is phenomenal. But as I start blending in my foundation, I start seeing that there is a red flag in the product. I only used the product a week and a half. I purchased the product on January 11th, and starting like last week, I started getting reactions, allergic reaction. I was getting bump on my stomach, and I was feeling really itchy around my edges. and I was just getting a lot of hair. Like if you saw my hair, like it was the size of a squeeze ball, like the stress ball, and I was completely hurt because I was hurt. And applying this under eye powder, that's how it felt. As I'm patting, that's how itchy my scalp was, really bad. And I had to go back to my local beauty supply store and buy a different brand of shampoo and conditioner, and the itchiness stopped. And I was just very upset and unhappy with the result of my hair. One side of my hair, my left side, is completely gone. It's really short, and my right side is still long. I did take pictures. I was very devastated, and I'm so ashamed. Like, I feel hurt because it's not about having long hair. It's about that you take care of your hair, and you buying into a product, a brand that's saying, oh, well, you can use it for relaxer hair. It's good, and it's not. So I did contact with the seller, and a lot of people were saying, oh, I'm sorry that happened to you. Stop using it. And I said, okay, well, I would like to have my refund back. They didn't want to do it. So I had to say that I would have to take it to the media. In the media, I'm applying this Lori Harvey lip combo, brown liner, and some lip gloss. And that's how I felt applying my lip gloss of not getting my refund back. They were trying to be smooth. They was trying to be so smooth with it. That's how the brand was. So I told them, well, you guys, I don't want to take it to the media. And they said, okay, we'll refund your money. And I told them, thank you. And I would never, ever in my life just support a brand like that again, because that was very hurtful. And I had to keep speaking with them to get a reaction and to get my money back. And that's not fair. So my story has been very, very saddened, and it was very encouraging for me, because I just want people to be aware. You're not the only one that has went through this, and please stop using that brand if you're going through a reaction. It's very itchy. It won't stop itching. It's like a burning sensation, and your hair is shedding so much. Please stop using that product. And of course, I did look up information on the product. There was a lot of positive reviews, but the product just didn't work for me, and there's no shade towards them at all. It's just being aware, and I just want people to know. And I just want to give people some education. But so here's the finished look of Lori Harvey Inspired Glam. I have to admit, I feel beautiful with the makeup on, but this whole journey has been very powerful, and a reminder that what's underneath is what truly matters. My confidence was completely shattered by this, and I'm still working on rebuilding it. So I want to love this brand, but it was really bad. And I hope you guys did enjoy, and don't forget to hype this video up. So don't forget to subscribe and look at this video here or here. Thank you so much for listening and to my story. Please do your research once again, and don't be into the flashy marketing. If you found this helpful, or if you just stuck around for the glam, please give this video a like, subscribe for more, and I really appreciate you being here. Bye everyone. My transformation. I love you.